Hello students, in this question what we are going to see, we have to prove analytically that the line segment joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and it is equal to half of its length. So now we are discussing about the slope. So slope formula we should know. We have to know the formula to find the slope. And also here we are using midpoint and length. So those two formula also we have to know. So if 2 points are given, how to find the slope? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, slope formula. And if how to find the midpoint of a line segment? So midpoint of a line segment is x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2, that is the midpoint formula. Then length, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, this question we have to prove analytically. So what is mean by analytically? Analytically means it is not, we are not going to prove this. So we can mark 3 different points in a triangle and we can mark the midpoint. That way we can use we can prove this concept in a Cartesian plane. That is geometrical, that we should not prove geometrically in such a way. We have to prove it analytically, which means using theory part we have to prove. So listen. So in this question they didn't give any data. We have to write the data and all, and we have to take the variables and the coordinates we have to solve. Listen, it is very simple concept. There is in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, we can take any coordinate a comma b, b, c comma d, c, e comma f. These are the 3 vertices of a triangle. See, a, we can mark here a comma b, b, c comma d, C, E comma F. And in triangle ABC, E, D and E are the midpoints of AB and AC. E, D and E are the midpoints of AB and AC respectively. So midpoint of AB is D, midpoint of AC is E. So what we have to prove? To prove, so in this case what we have to prove, we have to say DE parallel to BC. DE parallel to BC, that the line segment joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. So the line segment which is joining the midpoints of the two sides, this side and this side, which is parallel to the third side, this side, we have to prove. And in the second one, and is equal to, which is equal to that particular line DE is equal to half of the length of the third side BC. DE is half of BC. We have to prove. These are the 2 things that we have to prove in this question. So how to prove the first one? Find the slope of DE, find the slope of DE, then find the slope of BC if they have same slope, they are parallel. We know the condition. If two lines are parallel, their slopes must be equal. So if they have same slope, they are parallel. Then find the length of DE using the distance formula. Then find the length of BC. Definitely the BC will be 2 times the DE, or DE will be half of the BC. So we have to say this is the very simple. So for first one, what we have to do, first we should know these two coordinates. Then only we can find the slope using the 2 points formula. And also we can, if we know the coordinates only, we can find the distance. So we have to find these coordinates. So D is equal to midpoint of, D is equal to midpoint of AB. So x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. x1 plus x2, midpoint of AB. So these two, the x1 plus x2, a plus c by 2 and b plus d by 2. This is the coordinates of D. A plus c by 2, b plus d by 2, D. Similarly, we have to find E. E is equal to midpoint of E is midpoint of AC. So here the same formula, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So A plus E by 2 and B plus F by 2. This coordinates A plus E by 2, B plus F by 2. So now, so if you in your note when you are writing, you have to write one by one. Here there is no place, so that is why I am writing side by side. So slope of DE. So DE, find the slope of D. Slope, if two coordinates are given, how to find the slope? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So y2 minus y1, y2 b plus f by 2 minus y1 b plus d by 2 divide by x2 minus x1, a plus e by 2 minus a plus c by 2. So here denominators are same. So b plus f minus bracket minus b, because two terms are here, so we are using brackets, by 2 divide by similarly a plus e minus a plus c by 2. So b, this plus b minus b will be cancelled, so remaining f minus d by 2. Here minus a plus a cancel, e plus c by 2. So f minus d by 2 into reciprocal 2 by e minus c, 2 cancel. So the slope of DE is equal to f minus d by e minus c. So slope of DE we have found. Next we have to find slope of BC, because we have to say that these two lines are parallel. So இதோட slope கண்டுபிடிக்கிறோம், then we are finding this slope of this line. If they are equal, we can say that they are parallel because slopes are equal. Similarly, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So y2 f minus d by x2 minus x1 e minus Look at this. Slope of DE, f minus d by e minus c. Slope of BC, this line, f minus d by e minus c, sorry, y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. So slope of DE is equal to slope of BC. Therefore, DE parallel to BC. So these two lines are, first one is proved. So similarly, the second one I will explain how you have to do. First, find the length of BC. First, find the length of BC. So we know the formula. Length of BC is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Using this formula, find the length of BC. Okay. Then using the same formula, find the length of this. By 1 by 2 will be common in all the terms when you find the length of DE. So take 1 by 2 outside, then exactly you will get 1 by 2 into the distance of BC you will get. You can try, you can do. Okay, this is very simple concept. Only we should know, we have to understand the meaning of the question, and we should know what are the formula that we are going to use in this concept. 3 formula: slope, midpoint and distance. Okay, good.